Welcome to this introduction video, Ableton Live by Numbers. These videos are going to assist you in developing your musicianship skills. To do this, we're going to use Ableton's devices to help us. They're going to assist us in understanding what all of those numbers mean and how they correspond to music theory and music ideas. If you've ever looked at devices like Arpeggiator and wondered what the difference is between steps and distance and how they relate and interact with each other, or what about the way that transpose, range and bass work together? We see similar numbers on the pitch device, but range is different here than range on the scale device. When we look at the chord tool, we can see 6 numbers. How do they interact together? And numbers can be positive, but they can also be negative, or both together. With analog, they occur in a number of places. And with operator, we see the same. And how does this interact with coarse? We see the same numbers with simpler, and on wavetable, we have 3. On the audio effect device resonator, we have 5, and these can be positive and negative like the chord tool. In fact, you could see this as the audio version of the chord tool. The point of all of this isn't to blind you with science. Instead, it is to point out the common application of working knowledge and how you can take this working knowledge and transfer it to the operation of a number of devices. For example, let's say that we're using the chord tool and we want to hear the 5th above, but let's say that we decide we'd like to hear it 2 octaves above. But let's say that we would like to use the 5th, but we would like it to be below the root. Or you're using the arpeggiator and you want to understand the correlation between distance and steps. When steps is 1 and distance is +1, what's the effect? And if distance is -1 and steps is 1, what is the effect? Each week we're going to do some music theory in an Ableton device. Over time, you will find improvements in your understanding. All you need to do is the work. When you use a MIDI pack or similar, then this can only get you so far. The MIDI pack is of no use when using the resonator device. So even these packs have limitations. Okay, if you like this and you like the other content, please remember to like and subscribe, and see you next time.